welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature that's just been added to WhatsApp for PC. If you've ever wanted to clear all your messages with just one click, you're in for a treat. This new update makes decluttering your WhatsApp chats easier than ever before. So, let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version to access this new feature. Once the app is open, you'll see your chats listed on the left side of the window. But we're not going to mess with individual chats today. Instead, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll spot a gear icon there. That's your gateway to the settings. Click on that gear icon to open up your WhatsApp settings. This is where the magic happens. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. We're looking for the Chats section, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up all the settings related to your chats and messages. Now, here's the exciting part. In the chat settings, you'll find a new option that says Clear All Messages. This is the one-click solution we've all been waiting for. Click on this button, and WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your choice. Before you hit that final confirm button, take a moment to consider if you really want to clear everything. Remember, this action will delete all your messages across all chats. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the step. And just like that, all your messages are gone. It's like giving your WhatsApp a fresh start. This feature is perfect for when you want to free up some space on your PC or just start with a clean slate. Remember, while this is a great way to declutter, make sure you've saved any important information before clearing everything. Once it's gone for good. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and incredibly effective. We hope this new feature makes managing your WhatsApp messages on PC a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.